Hello, Plate of the Month followers. We have a new release for you for fall. We've got PMC-60 and PMC-63 in this collection that is shipped out. And they are super cute and super fun for fall. This little guy is covered with little critters and some leaves and trees. And this one is a unique plate that marries florals and butterflies. We are going to do a look right now in this video for PMC-60 with all the cute little critters. So let's get started. I'm going to open a fresh stamper. All I do when I open a new stamper is I pop out the head and I grab my sticky pad. I do the back always and the head. And the best way to put your stamper back in its holder is to pop it in and then just give it a push down on top of the sticky pad and it'll be right back in place where you need it. Okay, so I have based our little Manny here with our KoKo&Claire polishes. We have Uber Beach number 138, this really pretty white with the sparkles. We have Oyster Ice, which is one of our cat eyes, that guy right there. And then we also have Naked number 87, which is this one right over here. So I'm going to use my clear spectrum here just to help me decide what I want to put where and which images I'm going to use. I love this little teddy bear. I feel like he would make a really cute, almost like a Christmas Manny, that guy too. So I think I want to use our little fox. I definitely want to use this adorable little owl. And then maybe a tree and the deer down here. But we'll see how it comes together. First thing I'm gonna do is our little fox, which is this guy right here. And I'm going to do him. 192 is the base color that I'm using for the orange, traditional fox color. And scrape and roll over top. And I'm just going to use the back of my scraper card to take off the excess images that I don't want to put on the nail. Put it on our naked nail. Okay, so there is piece number 1. Now I want to use something a little bit creamy for his tummy. So how about this guy? Number 66. It's kind of a pinky, creamy. Just gonna give it a little stir here. You can see me in the plate. Just give it a little stir. Make sure that it's gonna lift up for us nicely. Really important to make sure you stir your polishes. If you're having a hard time getting things to lift, that might be one of your problems, is your polishes have gotten a little thick and they need a stir. Slip him into place here. He's pretty obvious where he goes. Right in like so. Okay, and let's outline. I was drawn to 60, and 60 I love. Antique luster. Let me see how mine is doing, because sometimes this guy's tricky to pick up. The shimmers can be a little more challenging. So I am going to be right here with my stamper ready to go the second I scrape. So you can see I'm right behind. Not good. Okay, don't panic. Give it a clean. Now, before I try again, I know that polish was getting a little bit thick, and that with shimmers, they can be a little bit challenging, especially if they're getting a little bit thick. So I'm gonna pull over my thinner and the polish. And we're gonna start with, I think I'm gonna go maybe 6 or 8. Maybe 9 or 10 drops. And I like to roll it between my fingers, mixing together. Okay, that's much thinner. Let's try that and see if it solves our problem. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing though, right behind. Boom. Check it out. Our perfect little fox. Oh, such a cute little fox. Look at that little guy. I think he needs a tree sitting up beside him. He's kind of lonely on that nail, doesn't he? I think olive number 89. Stay in kind of our off tones. Right up here. I want the whole thing, just the bottom part. So we'll stay with our antique luster for our outline. Right in behind. There, it's like he's on a hill. A crooked little hill. Oh gosh, you know what? Why don't we do that? Oh, that'd be so cute. Okay, see what's left on my stamper? It looks like a shrub. So I'm actually gonna put it down here, but I'm gonna go green first. We're gonna go with 87. Let's put a little bit of our orange in there too, because that was so stinking cute. Love it, that little kiss of orange. You know, fall is coming. That one lifted nicely too. Okay, well this one we don't need the whole thing because we're just gonna fake that this is a bush. So let's go kind of crookedy on the corner there. Still get it to line up. So cute. Okay, so we love our little fox. What are we gonna do next? I think that owl needs to have a prominent spot. Let's put him maybe on the white. And what colors are we gonna do him? I think we should do the body, this darker kind of gray. Let's try this. Let's try this. If we get it done and we don't love it, we can always take it off and try again. Not that we really want to have to do that, but you know what? It's part of the fun, people. Experiment with the colors in the center. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got our blue down, which is super pretty. I think we should go gold for the wings. So this is number 51. Bring on the bubbly. One of my faves. Oh, pretty. Okay, I like that. Now we've got the details. Let's do the details in the burgundy. No idea what the name is, sorry. This goes kind of right at the top of his head and right at the tip of his wings and in the center of his tail. Just take your time, slide it into place. Okay, so now there's also some details that are gonna go on here afterwards. I think we'll do those after. Let's do our outline, and we're gonna stay consistent here and use our number 60 antique luster. It's a shimmer, so we're gonna scrape and make sure we follow right away. Like so. And now, I think I want, what do I want for the details? I'm drawn to like a cream. over top of here. I think that'd be really pretty, but let's do something with a bit of shimmer again. So actually, why don't we go with 34? Angelic white, and it is angelic. It's such a pretty color. Okay, and be ready, because it's a shimmer. There we go. Looking around his head, because that's where I want to make sure that this kind of lands properly. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. What are we gonna do next? I want to do a full coverage. And let's do this fun full coverage one. This guy. Over top of the white. On the kinky nail, this little baby nail. We'll do this guy. But I want to take, I think I want to incorporate this blue-gray back into our look to keep it consistent. So let's do the outline in that blue-gray. And let's do the leaves and such in, is that too dark? I don't know, let's try it. I think that might look cool. I think that might look pretty nifty. And the gold. That's the fun thing about stamping, is when it comes to colors, you can experiment and come up with some of the neatest stuff. Or you come up with garbage. In which case, hey, it's nail polish. Start again. Ladybug. And there's ladybug up top there too. And they're both kind of in that burgundy color, so that's appropriate. And then let's go with our gray blue. So I know that I've got this leaf, so this is the little spot that I'm aiming for right here. The nail is not huge, so I'm gonna go specific to that spot and aim for it. Left to right a little bit and kind of ease things into place so that you hit the right spots. That is so cute. Okay, I think I want with this little guy, because he looks so lonely on there, let's put some words. Let's do the gray, crisp but cozy. I'm gonna start with the gray. So crisp at the top. Let's go maybe to the side so that it makes sense with his cute little head. And then go butt. I'm just tipping to the left so that I only hit the butt. You can see where it's down. And then cozy. And then maybe we'll go with one of those cool swirls and the word autumn on the other one. Okay, let's do it. Base for our deer, I'm gonna go gold. I love this gold. Silky, like a beautiful deer. I should really like that. I'm gonna put them down over here on the right. I love the shimmer on the cat eye shimmer. Here, let me make sure that you can see it. So pretty. I'd like to leave it just like that, to be honest, but I want to show you the layers, so, because that's really pretty just the way it is. I think let's go almost like, it's like he's a baby deer. And let's use the white, number 34. Sorry, I should be doing something more bold. I know people are like, we can't say, Debbie. I know, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm looking at his little feet. Make sure they're in place, and then everything else will just kind of fall in there. I think the lighting's good there, you can see. Super cute. See, and oh gosh, I would just leave it like that too. But you know what? All these other little guys that we're doing today are all outlined. You can see how you could just use that if you want to do something a little less animated and a little more elegant and just leave it that way without the outline. Or you can put the outline on, you'll see what I mean, how it's gonna kind of animate it a little bit here. And we're gonna use our antique luster. Ready? Right over top. Things turn to gold again. Okay, so now I'm looking at his antlers and his legs to make sure that our angles on to get all of those where we want them. Oh, look at the lighting. Oh gosh, that's so crazy. Look at him, so sweet. Okay, so then on this one, we're gonna use this nifty swirl and the word autumn. I love this font. It's just so pretty. Sorry, I'm not gonna over polish this here like crazy. Okay. So I'm looking at this guy so I can picture what I wanna do. So I'm gonna keep him over a little bit, because I know I'm gonna pop the other color we're gonna use. What color do we want to use? I think we want to go with this kind of burgundy one instead of the blue. Either one would look kind of cool, I think. You could go either way. And they would both be pretty. So let's see if we like, oh yeah, that color's really pretty. So right about, that might be a little high. I might wish I'd gone a little bit closer to the end there, but let's put on our outline and we will see. Okay, I'm not gonna waste any time. Right in behind it. Perfect spot. Oh yeah, for sure. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, that's going on my nails, like stat. That is such a pretty image. Love it. All right, and I want that word autumn. Where are we gonna put autumn? I think we're gonna have to put autumn like along there. Let's see if we can do that. Maybe there. Oh yeah, let's do it right there. Autumn. One of my favorite times of the year. There. So let's pretend that this is a manicure. And this is a manicure. There you go, you guys. You got two different looks in one manicure. You're welcome. Accidents. So you can see the versatility of this little plate. Really cute, really sweet, and can be elegant at the same time. All right, well, thank you so much, Plate of the Month people. We love you, and we will see you very soon in the next video.